welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Neha and today we are going to make Bourboun Milkshake. So let's go to the video. Okay, now we will open this. Got Bourboun, now we will put in this. Okay. Let's put 1 and 2. Should we put the whole thing? Alright, now we put the whole thing. Okay, we got Alright, now we got more Bourboun. Hey guys, so I forgot to tell you the ingredients. So we need Bourboun, of course, because we are making Bourboun milkshake. So we need the Bourboun, just like half a Bourboun packet, and we need milk, and we also need some sugar. If you want, you can add some cocoa powder if you just want, right? Alright, now I got some milk here, so now I can just pour it. Oh, it smells bad. Oh my god. Here it goes. Okay. Alright, here it goes, guys. Oh my god. Oh. Look at that. You think I add too much? I don't think so. Okay. I think I had to put it all in. I think that's enough. We just put it a little bit more so we can all clean. I don't think my grandmother's going to tell me. Okay, now we'll add some sugar, of course, for the little taste. We'll add some sugar. Here's the sugar. Guys, alright, let me see. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, done. A little bit more. Alright. Should we add a little bit more? Because we add too much sugar. I think we can add some. Too much. Oh my, there's coal inside it. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Now, let's add some cocoa if you want only. So let's me take a spoon. Oh, there's no spoon. I'll go to my grandmother's kitchen. I got it. Now I will add some cocoa powder. Of course, we have to open it so we can put it in. Here is the cocoa powder. Oh my god. Now we will add some cocoa. Is that good? I might add some for spoon. Right. Okay, then the 3 spoon. Here goes the biggest spoon. Look at these. Look at that. Dumb. Oh my. There's some sticking on it. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Now we have to grind it, right? Alright, now. Oh, it smells yummy. Okay guys, we are grinding so loud here. Here it goes. for this. Oh, that sounds so good. You can add some here. Okay guys, we got some ice here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Now we are going to... Don't explode. Oh, it's going to explode. Oh my! Okay, I think this is going to be short. The explosion. Whoa! Oh my! I don't think we had to. If you enjoyed this recipe, click the like button and see y'all next time. Bye! And also click the subscribe button.